All right, we're going to do distance equals rate times time rational expression problem. We're going to base it off of a boat. A boat can travel 9 miles upstream in the same amount of time as it takes to travel 11 miles downstream. If the current of the river is 3 miles per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water. So let's go ahead and let's sketch a picture of this. We have got a boat, which I'm going to draw a real fancy one. Okay, and that boat can go upstream or it can go downstream. Okay, and what it can do upstream is it says it can go a total distance of 9 miles. But if it goes downstream, it can go 11 miles. Okay. And one of the things that it says is in the first line, a boat can travel 9 miles upstream in the same amount of time it takes to travel 11 miles downstream. So what we know automatically is that the time for downstream is equal to the time for upstream, okay? And then it adds a little bit more. It says, if the current of the river is 3 miles per hour, find the speed of the boat. Find the speed of the boat in still water. All right, so we know the boat can go a certain speed. So we're going to say that the boat speed is X miles per hour. Okay, and if it's going upstream, we know that the boat can go X miles per hour, but it's going against the current, and that current's going 3 miles per hour, so it would be taking off 3 miles per hour, and that would be the rate that is upstream, okay? And then we know that that boat, if it went downstream, it would have the help of the current. So it would be going X miles per hour, but it would be adding 3 miles per hour, and that would be the rate for downstream. Well, how do we find time? So let's revisit that. We know that distance equals rate times time. So to find the time, I would just divide the distance by the rate, and that would give us the time. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's find the distance of the time for downstream. Okay, the time for downstream would be its distance divided by the rate, which is 11 divided by X plus 3. And then its time for upstream is the distance divided by the rate, which is 9 divided by X minus 3. And we know that the times are supposed to be equal. So I'm going to mark them as equal. All right, let's go off the Desmos and let's type it in. 11 plus X plus 3, 11 minus 9 over X minus 3. And we find both of those curves. We're going to look for where they're equal. We're going to look for that intersection. If we notice here, it looks like we have one, and that is X equals to 30. So that tells us if we're looking for X, and that is the speed of the boat, because that's what we're looking for, the speed of the boat, which is X miles per hour. So X equals to 30 miles per hour. And that's how fast that boat can actually go.